If you're struggling to rank on Google or think it is a complicated process, check this out. This one thing can help you rank top on Google if you do it consistently. For instance, let's say you are selling apple cider vinegar. Your first step is to visit answerthepublic.com, type apple cider vinegar into the search bar, and you will see the list of user queries about this topic from various search engines. Select one of these questions and examine the top 3 or 5 search results. Copy the content and then head over to Chatgpt. Ask Chatgpt to create a 1500 to 1800 word blog post with the title "Can apple cider vinegar reduce belly fat?" and ask Chatgpt to use the blog content below as a guideline for the structure of the new blog post. Ensure that the new content incorporates the keyword apple cider vinegar and its variation in a unique way. You are done. You now have a high quality blog post ready to publish. Next, run your content through Copyscape to ensure its uniqueness and check if any potential duplicate content issue. Once your content is verified as a unique, it's ready to post it on the website or blog. This method can be repeated daily by choosing different questions each time. It's a powerful strategy that can be applied to any keywords you are targeting. By following these steps consistently, you will see your website climbing the Google rank.